For a reliable source of all your auto repair and maintenance needs in the Palm Beach area, look no further than Advanced Muffler and Brake of West Palm Beach. With our professional ASE certified technicians and their combined total of over 75 years experience in the auto repair industry, we're sure to keep your vehicle running at its optimum performance levels. You can rely on us for professional auto repair. We've served Palm Beach County for over 25 years, and while the name might say Muffler and Brake, we're also the leader in preventative maintenance, power steering, cooling systems, transmissions, brakes and exhaust systems, among many other services. We also offer state-of-the-art front-end alignment with equipment most dealerships don't even have. It improves performance, balance, and reduces wear and tear on your tires. We are your one-stop shop for all automotive repair and maintenance needs, as we stock original equipment replacement parts. Customer satisfaction is our number one priority, and we provide a great service at a fair price for both foreign and domestic vehicles. We look forward to serving you and proving we are the best. Call or stop by today. We're located at 2774 Okeechobee Boulevard in West Palm Beach. We're open 8 to 5 Monday through Friday and 8 to noon on Saturday. 561-684-6882. Advanced Muffler and Brake of West Palm Beach. We have what you need to keep your car or truck running smoothly.